Hi, my name is Marianne, and a year ago, in 2019, I had been recommended to come see Dr. Kamat, and it is an hour and 45-minute drive for me. But I came in this office and I trusted he and Danielle where I wouldn't see anyone else again. For 20 plus years, my whole life I've been in pain, and throughout the procedures I had done, trusting Dr. Kamat's recommendations, Danielle constantly holding my hand and helping me through everything, I now feel like it has changed my entire life. I'm so happy to smile again, and I just appreciate everything, and God bless them for what they've done for me.